If you've been working with our template and you have attempted to insert a footnote and it looks like this with this massive space underneath it, that's a glitch in the template that I have since fixed, but this is a video on how to fix that. You'll notice that if you try to click down in here with this and you try to like delete, it won't let you delete. You can't get these, you can't select them. It's very frustrating. So the first thing we're going to do to fix this is we're going to come to View, and we're going to click View, and we're going to click Draft. Even on Macs, they have this, so you just need to put it in Draft View. Then we're going to come to References, and we're going to say Show Notes. So this is a way that you can see all of the footnotes in a given document all at once right here. I've only got one, but if there were multiple footnotes, you'd see all of them right here. This is how you can make global changes to the formatting of all of your notes. For our purposes, we need this footnote. We're going to set it to be the same size font as the rest of the manuscript, and we want it indented. So we're going to come in here to the paragraph settings, and we are going to do the first line by half an inch. If you've changed your indents so that they are not half an inch, you just want it the same size as the regular indents. And we're going to make our line spacing single, and we want a double space between our entries. So we're going to put 14 points there. Oh, I hit enter too quickly. We're going to come back here and we're going to remove the don't add space between paragraphs of the same style. This way, if there were multiple footnotes, there would be a nice little double space there. To get to that particular problem we had, though, is we're going to come here, and it's in the footnote separator. So right here, you can see that it took my footnotes away. Now I've got the separator. So the first thing we need to do is the footnote separator needs to be flush against the left margin. So I'm just going to backspace and put it there. The next thing is we need to get rid of these blank lines. We don't want those there. And the last thing is we need to create the illusion of a double space between the footnote separator and our text. We're going to do that in the paragraph settings by coming back up here. And we're going to put 14 points afterwards. We're just going to go ahead and click that away, and we're going to go, okay, there you go. So now if we were to look at our whole thing, we're going to back right out. We're going to come back to the view, go to print layout, and you'll see that our footnote is the way it's supposed to be. If we wanted to add a second footnote, just to double check and make sure it looks the way we're wanting it to look, we're going to add there. And here is our second footnote. Do you want to change the font? And our paragraph setting. And there we go. There are our footnotes. You can see that if this were a longer footnote, and that's how the spacing of the footnotes should look.